how to compare contractor codes the right way. Let me break it down for you. So the code you should hold, it should have full understanding for you what's gonna take. If you do the permits to do bathroom remodeling, you should be on it. What it look like, demolition, what if your home is old, what expectation behind the wall. So you get to understand, what they may look like with the remodeling. So you really need to understand what the scope of work, and then also what is your selections. And really should inform you through the entire process what's going to look like with pictures in the best way possible. Then also it should be able to give you a full breakdown on material selection, what type of finish is going to be, the toilet, the mirrors, lights, everything on it, what's going to look like, and also with a number if it's possible. Now this is depending on the company. So that's how you compare apples to apples. Now on the other side right here, I have, this is the way I used to do my previous proposals. For example, 1 line demolition, 2 building, 3 frame, and this is for $102,000 project. This right here, oops, and I'm sorry, this right here is for only $37,000 project, and you see how it's break it down. So you need to compare apples to apples. You need to compare what the scope of work, what's your selections. That way you will not be surprised. This is my previous budget, and right here is a little bit harder for a homeowner to understand what's actually going to happen to the entire process. So comparing apples to apples will be the best way. I learned from my own mistakes that with something like this, my team can produce easier. They get to know what's involved. They get to see the selections. They get to really understand the entire project, the entire process, the entire product. The homeowner gets to understand everything. So that's how you compare apples to apples. A full picture with everything breaking down for you, so you know where your money is going. No surprises. Apples to apples. That's how you compare. All right, take care. I hope that answered that question.